Ona buku elimbonyo rakakomeki buku kamabhino rakabata kamera. Uninyima bia apa ndiowanika ko bia riri
Saro uneze bana yo saro
mabhino wafika tinezeka is Chinese jeko escape yakafika in baseball. What team is it?
It's Montreal Expos.
What type of explosion is that?
Canadian.
Oh, Canadian.
My brand is
You think it's beer?
cheap.
It's certain kind of alcoholic explosion. You all drink in the war. And you feel sick. Yeah, you feel like eating. Or is you eating and nothing in your
That's
stomach?
Alan, that's why I was not married.
Money is the root of all evil. I hate money. I prefer you to government.
But
Butter exchange.
you prefer butter exchange. What do you mean by butter exchange?
Go in Zora butter.
Every day, going to
Go back to ancient history. You're my friend. Who else can I ask? One of my diaspora. You're going to nitokuona uchizunza msika kudai mchitengesa msika kedu kaile jobs aripo pamsika
on a sister UK.
Yeah,
On a sister UK.
it's perseverance.
I ndikubvunza ngopindura yes or no.
How did you know? Are you some kind of an oracle?
Handili wati homework yangu ndakaita homework yangu.
Are you looking around for my sister? She's home and having sex
Saka haudundiziva na sister yangu.
and you were letting my sister. How about my father? He's still in jail.
The father is in jail.
Ndosungisa baba wangu we.
Inda. Iwe?
Is that a warning?
Yes, only. Trinity.
Die. Moon.
Koya wakarowa pabhutsi.
It's a certain kind of
Kabhutsi kako ndekakudhara
it's a presidential issue. Who President Mugabe is one of the best, and it's one of the expensive ones.
Kanonzi chi?
It's an Italian shoe.
Zita racho.
Think about it. Google it. I want to tell you.
Kaona kazita racho.
Peri own. Yeah, Peri Gardina. Peri Gardina.
Aupere zvo akasaka
It's a
rakajiza.
gear for the dean.
Saka unopfeka zvo zvepresidential.
It's a presidential clique.
Presidential.
Deserve a gunshot. Presidential clique gunshot.
Ko kuJamaica tasvika nguwai.
Gunshot a papa split head like pumpkin. Is that a joke?
Now.
It's an insult.
Yeah.
You deserve one because you're going too far.
Saka presidential clique ndeyani.
It's a clique suit for you. I don't want to talk about it in public. You call it an insult.
Apa unogara mumbaro uchitaura chirungu. Uri salad.
It doesn't matter.
Iye salad yombani.
I like salads. I'm a rasta. It's item.
Saka uri tsuru.
Suro.
Tsuru leo zvakafisha.
I some kind of a rabbit. You like rabbit? You keep the I wonder why you're so bad. Don't feed the rabbits. Don't feed my birds. They are very full. There's plenty of food. And the airspace. No one can limit. The sky is not the limit.
Oh.
You are limited.
What makes other people get limited?
as liability, either commerce or history book, or any kind of book. There's a certain kind of limitation in progress. I felt I've used, but I can explain myself of what happened and what is about to happen next.
You can explain yourself.
You're certain kind of a broom, but you don't broom like a Canadian. Zimbabwe, you've gone back to Zimbabwe. You've got to talk the language.
So you want me to talk like Canadian?
Yeah, I want you to go like a broomy Canadian. You have to broom because it's cold, guy. You speak as a kind of Scottish kind of thing because you drink scotch because it's cold.
Yeah.
You know, so we have a kind of a nose brigade with your broom. And I got a big nose like Smith has got a big one. I don't know about the PP. Small because they're English. I'll give you
So I knew you want me to have a big nose. I suppose someone to speak like
one is like Kanjan.
Yeah.
I wish you knew the person I'm talking about.
Ian Smith.
She didn't know how to explain the word bogan. She said bogan. I think about Pakachacho because when I'm sick, she was a kind of a spooky kind of woman. Big veil. Like wedding gown, but it's kind of spooky. Many colors, a big head. You can see it's a witch, but you cannot talk about it. You have just got to buy. She couldn't explain it. Oh, Malawi. You see, grade 1. About Malawi. Go ask my mother. That's your own homework.
Alan nezuro enyebera waniwe wakati wakaenda kuami kwa General Dyke kwa Great Dyke wakabuda usina kufa wakasitaura nezuro chakuramba kubuda kachirungu charamba kachibuda
Kaya bachaja.
Saka phone yangu na Great Dyke zvikupinda pa. Camera na Great Dyke zvikupinda pa.
What is the Dyke?
And wakati msoja aka respect wa mu Rhodesia front ne.
You don't even know a Dyke. The Dyke is the mountain. Go back to school. How did you go to Canada, by the way?
By plane, by aeroplane.
No, you use planes.
Yeah, you're in a pilot.
When you broom there.
Yeah.
Speak that kind of broomy language. Some kind of a witchcraft mode language. They use brooms. It's not right.
Great Dyke, no issue.
What is a dyke?
All right.
What is a dyke? The good.
1,000, but
I use homework. The good room class.
Shandim class by Padare Pana.
Daddy class.
Right.
I didn't know which my padari. Mas Baba Visengu. Don't get as well. One day, I would do my rabble. Oh, my camarads, Baba. What on your body? No, go more. I pay tea. Oh, boo. The chingwa in the jam. Mukasadar.
How you tell? As a Great Dyke in the Army,
Go ask the Army General Constantine Kiwenga. That is if you don't even know how to answer a dyke. You want to know who's Great Dyke.
And to tell we army.
He's the ex-Rhodesian army. He was later on in forces in the defense forces of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces. He's part of the army.
And who's
But you are a
Yeah, he's my spy. And Zimbabwe ground force ground force
Singers knowledge.
Timbono Google my traditional healers association in Zimbabwe Zinata.
Kutsinga
Zinata Zinata
Amen.
Ini mara zvakapera.
Hausina Zinata. Saka zvere.
Zakapera Zinata. Kutangi kupera. This is a language from my mother language.
Utsvake chimuZimba kudzokera Malawi.
I don't deserve to be there. I have to be there when I want to go.
Hauna kana passport here.
I don't need
Passport anayo.
I don't need one. I'm a pirate. I can just jump the boat and go there, just do some spank some ass, come back.
Saka Jack Sparrow.
You can call me. This is the day you almost. You always remember the day you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow.
Kuvudzi rangu riri kupinda papi shamwari?
That's for me to know in you to find out. You get big eyes. They look at the clouds. Are you a cloud?
I'm not a cloud.
You deserve to be one because you're not speaking.
Saka what you are speaking says?
I know kind of. What kind of is kind of. I don't have any doubt. I speak same.
One would do an Ethiopian body.
I got an Ethiopian body because I want to be like King Selassie guy. Emperor Haile King is me. Tranamila Bandiri.
Manje wakaramba wakadaro mufana.
Kutora uyu uchatora inini loro ka definition kakafusa.
All right.
Avokadaro Sonic Hedgehog.
Ndiro wakatitora vanhu vese.
Na hedha vasipoonekwa apa ndoka nditsauro usunga chapa. Unoda usungwe namhame wewe. Mangwana wewe. Ari mapowers ichipurisa ichitoja. Nongo achiko kuti Thompson what someone tapanje wewe. Munangu akuninetsa. Apena ndinetse ndinogoroka definition kuti wamboyoze kunyetsa. Ndambokutengesera chamba chemunyo.
Awaita bro. That's
I'm a kind of drug dealer, do drug trafficking.
Iwe? Wangopedza video yako zvakanaka taura zvakanaka.
It's nice to go in praise because I'm dedicated to anything. Crystal meth, heroin. That's what heroes are there for. They are my drugs, not for anyone. You don't have to smoke it when I say don't smoke, don't smoke. When I don't want to talk to you, if you want to talk to me, if you self-listen without any doubt.
So do you know crystal meth?
Crystal meth. A bunch of crystal that they make using a scientific kind of a thing. It brings madness in you.
But so
Go back to Bantu people, your old people. Go back to the bushes. Bantu migration. They lived from one place to another in search for greener pastures. You have nothing. What do you have, Bantu?
That's what is about to that Rasta.
That is it.
you make me laugh. Mutabaruka.
The Bantu guy, they think I don't have to worship.
Don't have to worship.
Even those Chinese black shoes, they jack on you.
Abu. Sando Zime.
Did I say Zima? You said you want to. And I said they will continue. And I almost resisted.
This battery on the roof.
And I'm sick. I don't suit them sick. You went. I'm sick.